Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, printer MG5700 series Canon, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset your password, your administrator password, how to bypass your administrator password on this device. So, firstly, I will make the image of my printer larger. And here, as you can see, we have m.web server. So by entering m.web server IP, your printer's IP, you can open m.web server and now click logon. So default password of your printer is your serial number. Check your serial number on your printer. Just find setup, open it, find your device settings, then find device user settings, then serial number, and here you will see your serial number, and as you can see, key MG5750. I am clicking enter. Okay, and as you can see, I can't log in into my printer because password was changed. So now I will remove my password. To remove your password, you need to open device settings, then scroll down and find here reset settings. Then here you can reset web service setup, LAN settings, settings only, device info, send in settings only, or click reset all. Click reset all. Click yes. Wait a while. Great. Now reload your web server page. Firstly, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi network on your printer, so find device settings here, then find LAN settings, then wireless LAN setup. Wait a while. As you can see, my web server is not working right now. So standard setup, find the network you want to connect, enter the password of this network, then click done and setup. Connected to the Wi-Fi router, click OK. Now check your IP address. I know my IP address, but to check it you need to find LAN settings here, click OK. Choose confirm LAN settings and click print LAN details, then click OK. Wait a while. I will print only first page because we don't need second page. So when the first page will be printed, just click cancel job button. Great. And as you can see, here is my IP address. So it's still this IP address I had. So reload this page and now try to enter your printer's serial number again. So find device user settings, serial number, and try to enter this password. MG5750. Click OK. And great, I have successfully entered into my Canon settings. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.